Unit 721 at the Grand Shores has instant access to your parking area here. We are about, I guess, 4 or 5 units down from the elevators and heading in. This is a 2-bedroom ocean view at the Grand Shores. Immediately to the left of the front door is a full bath. Tiled floors. They do have wallpaper on the walls, which I would recommend having removed. Countertops are in a little bit worn condition. The appliances are not new, but they are in okay condition. The cabinets are in good shape. These are cabinets that are laminated cabinets, so these are not full wood cabinets, but over years those tend to delaminate. Carpet's in decent shape. Furniture is a little bit aged. But the neat thing about the Grand Shores is that just to the north of Grand Shores is just single-family housing that's on the ocean front. So you have a very engaging view of the ocean from the living space, and then also from the master bedroom too. This is the rear bedroom that has 2 full-size beds. Again, the cabinetry and furniture is a little bit aged. Also, the nice thing about the unit, it does have the air conditioning system looks like it's, well, in very good shape. I don't have a year on this without looking at the, let's see, last time it was inspected here was 2016. Or, no, I guess that's the initial installation date. Okay. So, newer HVAC system and stackable washer dryer. Entering the master bedroom here does have a very nice view. Ocean view, of course. King size bed. My overall take on the property is, for the dollar amount being purchased, 2-bedroom on the ocean view, decent condition. I think we are good to go here. There will be some updating that you might want to do. Again, furniture and cabinets. Well, not necessarily cabinets, but countertops. Other than that, and taking the wallpaper down, I say this is a good unit.